In today's video, I am going to teach you how to export Constant Contact list to Excel. To get started, sign in to your Constant Contact account and make sure you are on the main dashboard. The goal here is to take the contacts you see in Constant Contact and export them into an Excel file that you can open, review, and save on your computer. This is useful when you need a backup, want to share a copy with your team, or plan to do sorting and filtering in Excel. First, go to the Contacts area. Look for the Contacts option in the main navigation and click it. This will bring you to your contact list view, where you can see the people stored in your account. Next, select all of the contacts you want to export. If you want everything in the current list, use the top checkbox at the top of the contacts table. Checking that top box selects all visible contacts at once, which saves time compared to selecting them one by one. Take a moment to confirm that the selection looks correct before moving on. Once your contacts are selected, find the Actions menu. Click Actions and then choose Export Selection. This tells Constant Contact that you want to export only the contacts you have selected. After that, you will be prompted to choose which fields to include in the export. This is where you decide what information will appear as columns in your Excel file, such as names, email addresses, phone numbers, or any custom fields you have collected. Select the fields you need for your specific use. A helpful tip is to keep your export focused on what you will actually use, since exporting extra fields can make the spreadsheet harder to read. When you are ready, click Export to begin generating the file. Finally, download the Excel file. After the export runs, look at the blue notification bar at the top of the page and click Download Excel. If you do not see the notification, you can also find the export file through the Activity tab, where Constant Contact lists recent exports and provides the download link. Once the file downloads, open it in Excel and save it where you can easily find it later. And that covers everything you need to know.